How many songs do you have on internet now?
Over 10 tracks. Kan sọ pé tó sí ìbànújẹ́ ayé mi kò gbọ́dọ̀ kú ó dọ̀wọ́ lọ.
Kò ṣe gbogbo ènìyàn ló máa ṣoríire nílé ayé.
Ayé pátákó ló máa ṣoríire.
Kí ló jẹ́ kẹ́ rò tẹ́ fi kọ lyrics yẹn pé kò ṣe gbogbo ènìyàn ní ó ṣoríire?
Tí gbogbo èèyàn máa ṣoríire kò sí tó máa ya wèrè.
Gbígbàgbà ni ká máa rọ́jú. Ìgbà ń padà bọ̀ wá gbà ni. Mo mọ orí àmì lójú. I'm very sure that one day it will change my story to glory.
All right, I want to welcome you to this amazing section, this beautiful section, and I want to welcome you to Smedia podcast. If you are watching us for the first time, my name is Stephen Adekunle, and I'm your host today. I welcome you to Smedia podcast, where we talk much about mystery of life. And I want to use this medium to appreciate all our loyal fans. And fans, thank you so much for your support, for your love, for your share, for your comment, for your likes. We appreciate you a lot. Please go and get a seat. And make sure you watch this program from the beginning to the end, because you will learn and you have more wisdom about life, mystery. Let's make welcome our beautiful guest. You're welcome, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, yeah, calm down. You're welcome, man.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for coming all the way from Lagos.
It's my pleasure.
We appreciate you. You appreciate you, man.
I'm glad to be here too.
You are glad to be here too.
Yeah.
How do you see our studio?
Very, very good, satisfying. They are good.
We are doing well.
We are doing well.
Wow. Case of people that don't know you,
Okay.
we know you. We your fans, we know you. You understand? So in case of people that don't know you, that don't know your face, but they have been listening to your sound, we would like you to introduce yourself, man.
No. Jẹ́ kó ìwọ̀n pé ó ní ìwọ ló ń dún lára mi. Dèdè bó ṣe ń rò pò títọ́ ni kò ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ o. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Nana Aishat.
It's one yẹn kọ. Wow.
Jẹ́ kó ìwọ̀n pé ó ní ìwọ ló ń dún lára mi. Dèdè bó ṣe ń rò pò títọ́ ni kò ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ o.
Kó tó di pé a sọ̀rọ̀ much lórí introduction ni personally.
Now,
Let's first talk about this your song that you sing now. It's your song.
Yeah, it
You
is.
composed it
Yeah, by myself.
by yourself.
Yeah,
You are a songwriter.
yeah, I do.
Please, can you tell me the meaning of that song? Especially lyrics tó parí ẹ̀ yẹn.
Dèdè bó ṣe ń rò pò títọ́ ni kò ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ o. Dèdè bí wọ́n ṣe ń rò wípé ó ti tán fún yàn ni kò ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ orí ẹ̀.
Ibi táwọn yẹn ti ń ròpò ti tán fún yẹn,
Pé ó
ibẹ̀
ti
lọ́lọ́run
tán,
ti ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀
kò
orí
ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀
ẹ̀.
wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ níbẹ̀.
Mo mọ̀ pé ẹ̀yin ará lè ẹ máa fẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀ much lórí ẹ̀. Ẹ ní sùúrù, à ń bọ̀ wá lórí ẹ̀. All right, let me ask you this question.
Okay.
Where are you from, ma?
I'm from Ogun State, Abeokuta.
Please repeat that your name again.
My name is Nana Aishat, NanaAishat.
No.
Yeah, Aishat.
It sounds like Kono. Sorry.
It's okay.
Wow.
Ẹlòmíà pè ní Nana.
Okay, Nana. Actually call it Nana.
Okay, Nana Aishat, no problem.
What's the meaning of your name?
Okay, it's just like title to maybe some people can be Mrs., Mr. It's just no Aisha, just a title to Aisha.
Actually,
Yes.
your name is Aisha.
Aisha, yes.
Wow. What do you study in school?
Food science and tech.
It's actually sure. Am I going Bogan?
Me going.
Actually, I like your creativity. Yeah,
Thank
I like your
you.
creativity. Yes, it's one of the things I look. Tell me about your not just what you do, but your creativity and the powerful of your songs. Wow, that's amazing.
Thank you.
Wait, let's appreciate you for that. Let's appreciate you for
Thank
that.
you.
Orien, I'm very sure the sound OT blaze a lot of souls.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. because I can feel some of our crew here when you sing the song, they will be like, wow, you are the one that sang the song. Wow, this is amazing. So like, let me ask you again, where are you from?
I'm from Ogun State, Abeokuta.
Ogun State,
yeah.
Abeokuta.
Yeah. No, my dad is from Abeokuta too.
Okay.
But my mom is not. My mom is from Oyo State. It's saying.
Mommy wa kúrò láti, daddy kúrò láti Ogun. Okay, Ìṣẹ̀yìn.
Yeah, Ìṣẹ̀yìn.
Okay, for the first time I see someone from Ìṣẹ̀yìn. I'm from Ìṣẹ̀yìn.
Okay.
Oh, this is amazing. We are proud. Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah. Back.
Wow. Okay. If I may ask you this, do you grown up with your both parents, dad and mom?
Yeah, to some level, like to a certain stage.
Oh.
Yeah. So, and later, you know, they got departed, and I stayed with my mom.
They got departed?
Yeah.
Why?
It's just normal.
It's not normal.
It's just normal depart from.
Is it good?
I don't believe it's good, but if it is necessary to depart, just do it.
You don't believe it's good, but if it is necessary to depart,
just do it.
So bad things will affect the life.
Yeah.
Affect
And I even thank God for that today.
You said what?
I thank God for that today.
Why do you say that?
I thank God for that today because it's really helped my journey. And my mommy is not a discriminative person. Do you understand? So she just focus on us and build us like that.
After they depart, mommy just focus on your children.
Yeah. And everything I want to do, she just supports, and that's it.
Is it that daddy did not support you before?
No. I was young then, you know, when we were with daddy.
Okay.
So, and they were both trying. I'm just saying that when we left daddy's side, so mom has been trying. So, and I said, thank God for it.
After mom left daddy, so as in the focus is now
on us. Yeah.
Wow. Don't let us go to that part. Don't worry. Don't let us go to that part. All right. After mom left, after they separate, is there after that I want to switching by
no.
Challenges.
It's not that easy. It's not that easy. Many things happened, but we thank God today. It's not that easy at all.
Many things, yeah.
Many things happened, but we thank God.
Since when your mom separated from your dad till now, what are the lessons you learned from your mom about the both steps she took there?
As I said earlier, I learned that it was necessary for her to left the marriage then.
Probably due to what she's facing then.
Yeah. That was first thing I learned from her. So second thing is when you're in marriage now, so you now give birth, you know, when you leave the marriage eventually, maybe due to one thing or the other, do you understand? So just make sure you face the children and take care of them, be patient. You know, that's it.
This what you just said is powerful, ma. Because a lot of parents, let me say a lot of mothers now, when they left the marriage, they just most of them focus on themselves alone. You know, some even drop their children to their families and they will find their way. So it's good after you left the marriage, focus on your children. Why?
Okay, let me say it is not 100% like that.
Okay.
So once again, if it is necessary for you to focus on yourself too, maybe a little bit, then do for children too. You can do that. So if you know it's your mental health, is at stake for you to just focus on your children. You know, you need partner, you need someone to talk to, you need a hair. So, and sacrificing all that for just children sometimes can be draining. So if you think you need those both things, so just do it. Just focus on yourself too and children, and I think it's okay.
Wow. This is a great word. This is a great word. I think you've learned something from this. Wow. This is amazing. Wow. Since when you have been on social media dropping your sound, have you ever come across bad comments about your content?
Sure.
How do you feel?
Sure. I sometimes I feel like being intimidated, but sometimes I'll just be like, okay, it is part of it, because it is not normal for you to be getting positive side of people every time. So just be ready for the negativity, and that is it.
Repeat what you said, man.
Yeah, it is not normal for you to be getting the positive side of people every time.
Don't have it in mind that not everyone will like you.
Yes. Just be
not
ready.
Everybody
for
will like what you are doing.
Yeah, just be ready for it. If you are ready, so you just be okay with it.
So just be ready for negative parts.
Just be ready from any angle, from every angle.
Even from your family, from your friends,
from anybody. Just be ready for it and be like,
okay, and continue what you do.
Yeah, sure.
Wow. Okay, let's start with this. What type of song do you sing?
I'm a gospel artist.
Gospel artist?
Yeah.
And you're a Muslim?
Yeah, I am Muslim.
Can you explain that side?
Okay, I believe the meaning of gospel is good news.
It's good news, yes.
And if you've been listening to my song very well, you see in every message that I've been passing, so there are prayers, good messages, and there is nothing discriminative there.
There's nothing really discussed about religious. Okay.
So it is just the goodwill, and that is it. So, and I'm not ready to cage myself under any religious something, because I was sent to everybody, not just a religion people, not just a particular religion.
Okay. Wow. So you're a gospel artist.
Yeah.
So if anyone calling him or herself gospel artist, person is trying to sing for general
everybody,
not good really news, based on religion and stuff. Okay, wow. This is amazing. All right. You got to say, I'll limit to later call you.
We are ready.
You are ready?
Yeah, we are ready.
Okay. This music of the things. You make mention of something that I want all on you see.
Like everybody now. Everybody needs good news. Everybody needs prayer.
Yeah, I know.
So that is it.
How do you know God send you to people?
Imisi okere. Imisi okere. Imisi orin.
Kokere. To receive song is not just.
Yeah.
Okay. So definitely.
You cannot just sit down and start writing. Yeah. You cannot just sit down and start writing.
Why?
It's not as easy as that.
It's not as easy as that.
Yeah.
Do you study music?
No, I don't.
How come do you have the voice?
The voice is talent. It is talent.
Is it talent of gift?
Okay, talent, gift.
Gift.
Yeah.
That's a gift from heaven.
Yeah.
Because if someone is listening to your sound and the way you sing it now, it's just the same thing. Nobody say they won't shake on the studio got to magic. The voice is still natural like that.
Yeah.
Wow. All right. Atigba wo letting kọrin.
Okay. I think I discovered myself right from childhood.
Wow.
Yeah, like maybe age 6, 8. So I knew from that time that I have voice. So I just know that in school, they'll just be, maybe there will be an activity.
Okay.
They will be like, okay, oh yeah, Aisha, come and lead. And that was how it started. So.
Wow. And you said your mom supports.
Yeah. She has been supportive in everything she does. That she just believes in, child's dream. Just leave the child alone and
If you had to advise parents, what will you advise parents?
Okay, I'll tell them that anything that their child has been doing right from childhood, just make sure you build that thing with them.
If it is right thing.
If it's the right thing, just build it with them and encourage.
Wow.
So that's it.
So your mom gave you 100% support.
100.
Wow. Okay. Can you give us your first song?
Okay.
And when do you release it?
Okay, that was 2022.
2022. You started going to studio to...
No. It was not 2022 that I started going to studio. Like my first song that blew.
Okay.
Yeah. That people got to know. That was Kami Sorosoke. Sorosoke ko gunke. So for Lara to look it. Be one of fair gunke. Kami ma to look it. So that was it. 2022.
Oh, let's receive our
Imisi.
Okay, kò ń ṣe àwọn Christians nìkan ló máa ń lo ìmísí.
Ìmísí ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá ni.
Ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá ni.
Ìmísí. Ìní ìmísí nǹkan.
Ìmísí.
Báwo ni? Revelation.
Okay. Ṣé ó máa ń ní àsìkò tí ìmísí máa ń wá ni àbí èèyàn máa ń create time fún?
No, ó lè jẹ́ any state téèyàn bá wà. Like you might be going through something and that thing can just want to console you, so and then come in terms of music to you.
Okay.
So and you just grab it from there. So you might be working many ways.
Wow. I know very sure you probably face some challenges in life.
Yeah.
Can you share us something about happened to you? Maybe, probably, it has now been a lesson for you.
Oh, yes. I had it. Okay. This is about my song too. So this song that I just sang now, that was Kami.
Okay.
Sorosoke Kogunke. So we released it 2022 and I was still in school.
Okay.
So and that time, let me say it was Ibai Mosha. Because Adibi, I knew that time that I needed to, be like, as the song blown like this, I just needed to sell my face out with it. Do you understand? So like the song blew now, so I now needed to sell my face with it. Adibi, I know
for
that
people
time.
To know you and understand the song.
It would have been better. So I did the mistake on Kami, I did it on Otto, I did it on Dodon. So like 3 songs like that people knew. You
are just releasing the song,
and then I'll just for a month, and because I did not know that time, and I was in school too, and it's not as if I see someone to just call me and be like, you need to be posting it, you need to be kiniko. Me, I thought that was it.
Do this so that people know you.
I actually thought that was it. That song don't blow. Even till today, some people know that those are my songs. Till today, so and that was. But I corrected it. I've corrected the song. I've corrected.
What are the things you correct?
Like I noticed that some people has known me already.
Okay.
With those songs.
Okay.
So and that's it. And after those songs too, all the songs I've been releasing after that. So the mistake had not been repeating itself. Okay,
you've now been trying to push yourself, your face now that you are the one that sang the song. Apart from Kami, you say, like since then now, since when you've started dropping song, like how many songs do you have on internet now?
Over 10 tracks.
10?
I've done over 10 tracks.
Can you sing one of your favorite for us that you personally like?
Okay. Kan sọ pé tó sí ìbànújẹ́ ayé mi.
Wow.
Jọ̀wọ́ kàn ṣe àmì sóhun tí mo ti ń béèrè o. Kílẹ̀kùn ayọ̀ ṣí, kí tí ìbànújẹ́ ti pa ó yá o, kí wọ́n á bọ́ sínú ògo. Máa jẹ nínú ògo, máa mu nínú ògo, Mashola nínú ògo, kèmí gan adólógo, ògo tí ò ní tán.
Aww. Orí mi dẹ̀ ń bust. Sorry, ẹ jẹ́ bá a tún kọ. Sorry.
Kàn sọ pé ó tó síbànújẹ́ ayé mi, jọ̀wọ́ kàn ṣe àmì sóhun tí mo ti ń béèrè o. Kílẹ̀kùn ayọ̀ ṣí, kí tìbànújẹ́ ti pa òyà òkè wá bọ́ sínú ògo. Máa jẹ nínú ògo, Ọlọ́run máa mu nínú ògo, máa ṣọlá nínú ògo, kèmí gan adólógo, ògo tí ò ní tán.
Sorry, àwọn lyrics orin yìí.
Now,
One, over powerful.
okay.
Second is, ṣé ó ní àwọn challenges tẹ́ máa ń face tẹ́ fi máa ń kọ orin yẹn ni? Àbí ẹ máa ń rẹ́ nìkan tó ń face challenges lè máa fi ń kọ orin yẹn? Ẹ jẹ́ ká ti kọ́kọ́ gbàgbé ìmísí náà normally ìmísí máa wà. Because this type of song, ìgbà tí mo lọ check page yẹn, thousands of people that use that sound. Even some use it to pray. Even Christian, Muslim, different kind of religion. People are using it to pray.
Yeah.
Báwo lẹ ṣe ronú pé orin yìí ni àwọn èèyàn nílò?
Nǹkan tí Ọlọ́run bá fẹ́ jẹ́ kí ó jẹ́ bí message fún yàn. Ṣé understand? Ó possible kó má wá sí yàn lórí. So gbà mí kedere èèyàn máa pẹ̀lú mo sọ pé mo face challenges kankan because they are not that as bad because I'm still thanking God, but there will still be some, one or two things. So and that too might be part of it sometimes. So I remember vividly that auto that I just sang now. Yeah, I remember that day I wrote it with tears. So and that was it. So like I really, every of my songs, I really pour my heart inside it. Yeah, inside them.
Not just something, just
no. From the depth of my heart. So that's.
Chai. This is powerful. I pray the source of your music will not dry.
Amen.
You say amen.
Yeah.
You believe in God?
Yeah, I do.
Are you sure?
Yes, I
do. You pray?
Yes.
Wow. Do you believe in Jesus?
I do.
Who is Jesus?
Jesus is prophet.
Wow.
Sent to the world, and Christian do give him his accolades, so, and that's it. I believe in Jesus. Wow.
Have anyone challenged you about your sound? Like maybe people think you're singing religious song.
Religious? Am I singing a religious song?
Yeah, have anybody challenged you? Maybe think you are singing a religious song.
Maybe they don't understand, and we have been trying
to explain
to as many as possible. Thanks to my manager, so that's him. So we'll be doing that.
If I challenge you now that you are singing religious song, how will you explain to me? Because I want people to know the difference. Well, I know you have explained earlier, but I want people to know the difference.
Okay, what religious song are you talking about? Like what religion?
Like now, if I come across your song, if I didn't really know, not everyone know the meaning of gospel, like what you said now, that it's good news.
Good news.
You understand? So the sound, your sound, and the style of your song, the tune of your songs sound like this Muslim sound. Do you understand? So some people intention, when they came across your song, they'll be like, wow, mo like orin Muslim yi, mo like orin Muslim yi, mo like orin Muslim yi. So if I now said, mo like orin Muslim yi, if you now want to explain to me that I'm not just singing.
Maybe that's because of the sound I was used to.
Okay.
Do you understand? So, but the message is nothing compared to any religion. The message there is nothing compared to any religion. It is just normal human being lifestyle song. So prayer and many things.
Okay.
So that
Okay.
is it. And the
Okay.
one we released last, that was Fitila. It doesn't even sound like any religious song like this.
Because àwọn yẹn máa gbé síra wọn kó ṣe gbogbo wa la lè ronú. You was telling me about gbọ́ nǹkan like in sing like let's say Sholani sing and some other sounds. Sholani started with the way she started, not even gospel, but
like
just natural sound.
Music is above religion.
But people just count it sometimes and
music is above religion, I think, and I think that's because of the religion that someone is, that particular person that is singing.
Okay.
That's how they base it. I did being I'm like a Christian and I'm not bearing Deborah and I now have that kind of inspiration. So would they say I'm singing Muslim song? They will still say I'm singing a Christian song. So
okay.
And that is it.
Okay. But I think the conviction is coming from your tone.
Yeah. And the religion.
Okay. The fitila you drop.
Kò gbọ́dọ̀ kú ó dọ̀wọ́ lọ. Ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ kú ó dọ̀wọ́ lọ. Fìtílà ti làmì ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ kú àfi kí ní lárí. Ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ kú àfi kí ní lárí.
Ẹ máa sọ fún mi pé face challenge nígbà tẹ́ kọ́. Forget it. Bóyá ti rò pé I suppose don't pass this level àbí maybe something. Ẹ já wa.
Okay, màá jẹ́wọ́.
Àwọn yìí orí tẹ́lẹ̀ mi máa gbọ́ tó máa sùn fún mi.
Màá jẹ́wọ́, you know, life can be somehow sometimes, and it is due to how people treat you. Sometimes how, you know, due to what they say to you, due to how they react to you. Some people do not know that even music itself, apart from talent, it is a business on its own. And it comprises of many things that you need to, you know, do even before you earning your money or something. That is
you
when
have to create your time for.
You know, they don't even want to know. They think that, you know, if you have 1 song, 2 songs, 3 songs that has blown, they will even be predicting the kind of success that you would have been. They'll be like, you know, that prediction, and they don't have an idea of anything that someone is going through.
True.
You know, I might not be there yet, but I'm very grateful. So, and that was it. That so as in just what Tony. Kò gbọdọ̀ tí tó náà fìtílà àti láyé níbi tó wà ẹ̀ kò gbọdọ̀ tí kù. Torí mi tí ní lárí, mi tí ṣoríire, mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ ní lárí.
Ẹ dẹ̀ nígbàgbọ́ pé
màá ní lárí
ní díṣẹ́ orin
màá ṣoríire ẹ ló gùn Ọlọ́run.
Àmín.
Mo ti ní lárí already gan.
100.
Ọlọ́run. Ọlọ́run.
Wow.
Ọlọ́run.
Wow. Okay. Let me now ask you this. I want you to be playing with your answer.
Oh, okay.
Are you singing this song to have money, to have fame, or you are singing it to win soul, or you are singing, or you are doing the music for both?
Both.
Both. That's I mean both.
Both.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Both.
Wow. So at the same time, if your song is ministering to people, at the same time, it should bring fun. Because tó bá mú owó wá náà, let you feel continue láti máa.
Yeah.
Ṣé music ṣé ó máa ń gbówó lọ gan?
Yeah. Okay, maybe nǹkan tí mo lè sọ pé ó fa tí mo sọ pé mo ní regret ní time yẹn.
Okay.
Òun ni pé time tí mo sọ pé mo wà school.
Okay.
Mo wá ṣe promotion pẹ̀lú àwọn orin mi yẹn.
Okay.
You know, because
there's no turn up with a song.
That kind of thing, and maybe torí bí a kò sówó nígbà yẹn náà pẹ̀lú ẹni tí mo bá ṣiṣẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ my former management.
Okay.
Do you understand? So, but thank God to the manager that I have now.
I actually want to ask you, do you sign with record label?
Not really.
Okay. Not really. Do you have sponsors?
Yes, I have.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, this is amazing. So presently now, are you under any record label or anything?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm not.
Okay. So let's say, do you wish or if a record label come to you for business?
Sure. If it is a better offer
for you,
we'll grant it. Yeah.
Okay. Do you believe in having a record label or signing deal with record label?
Yeah, I do.
Human help.
I do. Oh my help. My help that and it is when Tobani Molurian.
Okay.
If you don't understand, you even think that they are extorting you. Meanwhile, you yourself, you haven't even make shishi. And them they spend on you. You haven't even known yet. But time when you're back close, you'll be like, I must be they don't have any idea about what you are doing and what the person is even doing for you. My manager has been trying.
Wow.
Very, very trying.
Thank you so much, manager. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Okay. This is what you are appreciating your manager. She will not get manager like this. This is amazing. Okay. Let me ask you this before I ask my question. What are the things, at least with the traffic you have now?
Okay.
Because I know very sure you are still aiming for
bigger,
more.
Yeah.
So what are the things you think that can help your music career?
It's the decision I have made already.
Oh, good.
Because some people are still trying to, cage my sound under religious sound.
Thank God.
So, and we've made the decision already that my sound is not any religious sound. I'm a gospel artist, and gospel is good news. So, and going forward, we've been trying to do so many things that is not even religious, because the message I was sent, it's like I was sent to everyone, not any religious people, something. And I think that will be better for us.
Okay. So my question is, what are the support you think can add to your traffic that can add to your music career?
Okay, from fans to you should, they shouldn't be tired of us.
Okay.
In any time. Do you understand? And people should invite us, get to know what we are capable of doing, because some people do not even know that this person can even minister for you to some extent. Do you understand? So just call us and
go to stage to perform.
Yeah.
What kind of event?
Sure. Maulid, naming ceremony. Maulid, it's a Muslim celebration.
I thought it's Moli.
No, it's Maulid.
Okay, Maulid.
Yeah, okay. Muslim celebration to celebrate Prophet Muhammad.
Okay, is it like Maulid a live band? Sorry, is it like a live band?
Some people will call you with your live band, and some people will just call you single-handedly and come and sing for them.
For them, okay.
Yeah.
How do you do that? Only you?
And now they would have gotten everything set already there, so you just climb the stage and perform and
with the band, or you play your song.
No, with the band.
Okay,
live.
Okay. That's one as well can support you.
Yeah.
Okay, not free, Sha.
Not free at all. Not like we don't want free, because we are not that greedy. So, but because some don't even appreciate it. They think we are useless. So that is why we need to just at least small. So
have you ever go for a free performance before?
Sure. That lane.
Yeah. Okay, how do you feel? Have you ever experienced even calling you for free performance and still they don't honor you?
Sure.
Is that good or bad?
Very bad, very bad, very bad. And recently, we are now trying to correct that thing. If those people are coming to you again, and you're not trying to be like, oh yeah, but manager, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, they will even tag you as a bad person.
Yeah.
So and it's not as if we are that wicked or that greedy, but we just want a response from them that they know our worth. Even if they did not give us money, just respect us.
At least,
that is it.
Celebrate.
It's not everything is not about money. So that is it sometimes, and some people do not understand, especially in this Islamic industry, something that
it happens everywhere, mama.
Okay, and even comparison self, that one is bad. Comparison, telling you a higher colleague is not even charging. But we are not same thing, I'm not Aishat. I'm not that person you are talking about.
Our content is different.
They will not even understand.
Then why can't you go for the person you're talking about? Okay.
So the comparison is very, very killing self.
Oh, let me chip in this question. Have you ever have an experience of someone promise you and fail to fulfill it?
There are many. What they are not capable of.
Maybe they are not capable.
Yes, what they are not capable of.
Okay, they will promise what they are not
they like what you are doing.
Okay.
They want to support, and they know they are not capable. They will now make empty and fake promises, and that's very bad.
How do you now treat that part?
At the end of the day, you just leave them and move on, because eventually maybe what they promise you is not yours, because if it is yours, they will eventually see it, and that's it. That's life, part of life lesson.
Okay, you believe anybody promised you and the person was unable to fulfill it, so definitely
it's part of lesson. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. If anyone promised you, do you always put your mind?
I think that's every human expectation. You one way or the other, even if it is not that much, you just put your mind that what I is supposed to be motto.
Okay.
But at the end of the day, if you now see that about to drop message, hello sir, can you come? Mark 2, oh, am I lodging? You just forget about it.
She has a promise in motto.
No.
Okay.
No, I'm just saying.
Wow. Soon you have yours 100.
Man.
Yeah, sure. And our viewers, fans, I will hold you as you are enjoying the sun, as the sun is blessing you. Please, I think that is one of the things we lack in this Africa. We don't appreciate.
Yeah.
Even key any marry benefit in tí kò ní appreciate nǹkan and I don't know why.
Yeah.
Please, let's appreciate Nana Aishat for this sound. Mọ́mí ẹ fún wa lórin mi, ẹ ti fún wa nìkan.
Níbi tó ti ń rò pé kò sáàyè o, wáyé fún mi kò dàbí àlá, kí n rógòlò kò dàbí idán.
Ibi tí wọ́n ti ń rò pé
kò sáàyè, wáyé fún mi kò dàbí àlá.
Kò dàbí àlá.
Kí n rógòlò kò dàbí idán.
The Lord will continue oiling your imisi.
Amen.
Yeah. The Lord will continue to oil that part. Do you believe in having a close friend? No?
Yeah. I can have friends, but not closer.
Okay, not closer.
Yeah.
Why?
Kind of dangerous to me. Okay. Everybody cannot have same opinion.
Okay.
The reason why I say it's not that good is that some people can actually share them. Okay, share their own secrets. Okay, because when you are going through one or two things, depression or something, and you are not talking, you just kill yourself. That is their own perspective. But where you, like someone like me, let me say, where I'm making my money, how I'm doing my life, something, and with someone I don't even know that well, now sharing the person, my information, everything, can be someone and dangerous.
If you have anyone you want to advise, what will you tell the person?
Just be yourself.
Be yourself.
If that yourself is part of you having friends, sharing him or her shit. If be yourself is part of you not having anybody around you, don't.
Do you have a mentor?
Yeah, I do.
Is there benefit there, having a mentor?
Yes, there is a benefit there. There's a benefit because you cannot grow alone. You have one or two people you're looking up to, and anybody you'll be looking up to, they are your mentor in one way or the other.
Okay, what kind of mentor because mentor, some have mentor that they never meet.
Yes, sure.
But you don't know what they do in secret. So why having a mentor when you don't know it's only what they post for you see and you start liking?
Mentor can be in different ways.
Okay.
You can have mentor and do not see them as you said, and you can have mentors that even online do not know them. It is just your Egbeli's advisor, mentor, and that will be guiding you, your lifestyle and everything. But if it's for online purpose, you can have anybody and just emulate the person. There's nothing concern you with what they are doing. So far, it is what you are seeing online, and that's what you are okay with. So that is it. Mentor can be different ways. Yeah.
So before rounding up now, we want you to put more lights about your music stuff now. Finally.
Okay.
Yeah. So you help me to list your sound.
Okay.
Because I know very sure most people don't know your face.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
So and some people will still be like, shopping in local say. Do you understand? So because because the power in the sound is too LV. I think God really bless you with that. So can you help us list your songs?
Starting from Kami, that's Sorosoke Gunke.
Okay, Gunke.
So for Lara to look, we want to Gunke. Kami,
you owns that song.
Yeah. But I was not the one that composed the chorus.
Okay.
So it was my former boss.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So and that was it with him.
Okay.
Yeah. But Otto, so it is my song. I wrote it myself. So Konsopoto si banuje ayé mi. Jọ̀wọ́ kàn ṣe àmì sóhun tí mo ti ń béèrè. Kílẹ̀kùn ayọ̀ ṣí, kí tí ìbànújẹ́ ti pa òyà òkè wá bọ́ sínú ògo. Máa jẹ nínú ògo, máa mu nínú ògo, máa ṣọlá nínú ògo. Kèmí gan wá dólógo. Ògo tí ò ní tán. Ìrètí pípẹ́ ó máa ń mọ́kàn ṣáko lọ. Ohun abẹ́ẹ̀bẹ̀ fún tí ó bọ́ sí àdùn ni. Bí ìbànújẹ́ ayé ẹni bá pọ̀ lápọ̀ jù, èrò bí ká kú ṣóhun ni yóò gbọ́kàn ènìyàn. Tómi bá ń jábọ̀ lójú ẹni tó ń béèrè oore. Ó fẹ́ rí ìpadà ọ̀tun nínú ayé ẹni. Ìrà bàbá mi rè àṣẹ̀dá ọba tó ní mí kàn sọ pé ó tó ìlàyé. Ìdán. So that was níbi tó ti ń rò pé kò sáàyè. Wáyé fún mi kó dàbí àlá kí n rògbòlò kó dàbí idán. So that was it. So that one after that is Ìwọ ni. Jẹ́ kó yé wọn pé ìwọ ni. Ìwọ ló ń dún lára mi. Dèdè bó ṣe ń rò kò títọ́ ni kò ṣe fèrè. Àgò mi lójú ẹni tẹ̀dá bá ń ṣe bí Ọlọ́run. Èèyàn á ṣìnú ro tẹgbẹ́ ẹni bá ń lòun lè ṣe. Tipa bá kún ní àpínkẹ́ ìròrí ájíun. Ọ̀rọ̀ ilé ayé afẹ́ mú ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ òdì sọ́lọ́run. Wàá máa béèrè ìbéèrè tó ní rẹ̀ ní fèsì o. Tí kálukú tó lẹ́rù tẹ̀bí ẹni kọ́kọ́ o. Dèdè bó ṣe ń rò ó pa tó tán. Ọlọ́run dèdè bó ṣe ń rò pò ti tán ni kò ṣe fèrè o. Jẹ́ kó yé wọn pé ọ ni. Ọlọ́dún lára mi. Dèdè bó ṣe ń rò pò ti tán ni kò ṣe fèrè. So and I did the remix with Alhaji Sulaiman Alao Malaika.
Oh, I saw the flyer on your page. Wow.
Give me the privilege.
The sound is out.
Thank you so much, sir.
Wow.
Yes, we released it last year October. The remix.
Wow.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for the privilege.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, what's the other one?
Yeah, I did Ashe.
Ashe.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Kan lọ sọ, kan lọ sọ pé mi ló kan tí máa ṣoríire kò dẹ̀ rújú ìṣẹ̀dá mi máa gbọ́ àní lọ́rọ̀ wọn létí o bó ti tásìkò ó ti tọ́ sí mi èmi ló kan tí máa ṣoríire kò dẹ̀ rújú rárá kan lọ sọ so okay. I did dandan.
Okay.
Níbi tó ti ń rò pé kò sáàyò no lótìtọ́ àwọn olóríire lè ló ń ka o bó ṣe léhùn kó rí mo gbọ́dọ̀ wà nínú wọn àyànmọ́ burúkú kó má ṣe mọ́ mi lára ẹlẹ́dàá mi jọ̀wọ́ ṣá máa tì mí lọ bí rere gbogbo ayé pátákọ́ ló máa ṣoríire ìpín gbogbo wa kọ́ ló máa já sí ire kìràkìtà gbogbo wa kọ́ ló máa já sáyò a ò ní tanra wa àwọn kan ò yàn pín ire mi ò fẹ́ mọ̀ bí ó ṣe jẹ́ ìpín tèmi ní láti dá àyànmọ́ burúkú
ẹ dúró why sorry o kí ló jẹ́ kẹ́ rò tẹ́ fi kọ lyrics yẹn pé kí ó ṣe gbogbo yẹn ní òṣòrire.
tí gbogbo yẹn ó máa ṣoríire kò sí tó máa ya wèrè kò sí tó máa tọrọ so à ń tọ́ra wa ni pé gbogbo a máa ṣoríire ó ti wà pé gbogbo akọ́lá máa ṣoríire àmọ́ bó ṣe lè wù kó rí èmi gbọ́dọ̀ wà náà tó máa ṣoríire àyè mi gbọ́dọ̀ wà
kò ṣe gbogbo ènìyàn ló máa ṣoríire nílé ayé.
ayé pátákọ́ ló máa ṣoríire ìpín gbogbo wa kọ́ ló máa já sí ire kìràkìtà gbogbo wa kọ́ ló máa já sáyọ̀ a ò ní tanra wa àwọn kan ò yàn pín ire.
Seriously, it's true. For real àwọn kan wà tá ti yàn pín gate máa fún ibẹ̀ làwọn máa ṣe títí. àwọn kan wà àwọn kan máa ṣe tuwálé bàbá o.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
bí gbogbo wa dẹ̀ ṣe ń sáré àti jéèyàn tó kò ṣe everybody ló máa jéèyàn ló máa. àwọn kan dẹ̀ wà tí wọn ò ní rí jẹ tí wọn ò ní rí mu títí ọjọ́ ayé wọn kò ṣe gbogbo èèyàn ní ìpín ẹ̀ máa wá sí ìmúṣẹ.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
kò ṣe gbogbo èèyàn ní èròǹgbà ẹ̀ máa wá sí ìmúṣẹ.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
ṣé ká wá pè ní kádàrá ni.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni kádàrá tiwọn ni àyànmọ́ tiwọn ni.
Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ kó rí mi yan kan.
àmín jẹ́ kó rí mi burú.
ṣé àwọn ìdílé léyìí tí èèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ fi máa gbàdúrà bí.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni èèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ ẹni tó ń gbàdúrà dáadáa.
ṣé ẹ bìlífù pé ìgbà mìíràn wà tó yẹ pé ẹni tó bá kún fún àdúrà dáadáa tó bá yan ìpín burúkú gan ó lè yí.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni ó wà dáadáa.
ó
wà dáadáa.
Which other one? It's Kato love see another one. I think Confitila. Yeah, I remember. Báwo lẹ ṣe gbọ́ Yorùbá? Because àwọn Yorùbá tẹ́ ń sọ yẹn gan. Èmi gan most àwọn Yorùbá mi gan.
I don't know.
Ẹ kí n ṣọmọ fẹ́.
Ẹbí ṣọmọ fẹ́.
Manager ni bóyá ẹ ti wá sáyé tẹ́lẹ̀.
Ọkùn tí.
Wow. Báwo lẹ ṣe gbọ́ Yorùbá?
Mi mọ̀ bóyá bí mo ṣe grow.
Kò dẹ́ ṣe pé study Yorùbá school.
Mi study Yorùbá but mo mọ̀ pé ní secondary school A1 ni mo ní ní
Yorùbá. Nínú Yorùbá. Káàkiri mọ́mì máa wà lára àwọn tó ṣe pé Yorùbá.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Ṣé ó máa ń ṣe àǹfààní náà dáadáa tí òbí bá jẹ́ kó ọmọ yẹn gbọ́ language tán bímọ? Wow. Ara ẹ̀bùn tọ́lọ́run fún yín náà ni. Okay, so let's go on with your sounds.
Okay, so I've sang Aishat before.
Yes.
So and after that we sang Fitila. I featured Alhaji Yusuf Olotu.
Okay.
So
wow.
Gbọ́dọ̀ kú dọ̀wọ́lọ́. Gbọ́dọ̀ kú dọ̀wọ́lọ́. Fìtílà ti làbí gbọ́dọ̀ kú àfi kí ní lárí. Gbọ́dọ̀ kú àfi kí ní. Aisha ilẹ̀ àti làmí gbọ́dọ̀ ṣù. Ilẹ̀kùn àti làmí gbọ́dọ̀ tì. Igi oríire mi gbọ́dọ̀ wò. Àkàbà àti làmí gbọ́dọ̀ wò. Aṣọ àlàmí ní dọ̀tí. Aláàánú mi ò ènìyàn kú àfi kí n bẹ́gbẹ́ pé.
Mi mọ̀ wá yìí fẹ́ ṣe àwọn lyrics yìí. All your songs is it on digital platforms?
Yeah, everywhere.
Okay.
All streaming platforms.
Boomplay, Audiomack.
All my true fans, they know.
Okay. You are having more fans now.
Okay, everybody, all my songs are on all streaming platforms.
Your name again on social media and the platform.
No, Aishat.
No, Aishat. Yeah. Spell
NANAAISHAT.
NANA, that's Nana.
Yes. AISHAT.
Aisha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Aisha.
Oh, presently now, where do you base?
Lagos.
Yeah. So, wow, that's good. But if you have an invite for a program, you can actually go any state.
Everywhere, yeah.
Okay. Have you ever traveled out of Nigeria?
No.
Yeah.
Are
you willing?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Sure.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. I want you to promise us something that after God answer your prayer,
okay,
and you start trending and you blow, you will not move back from your powerful lyrics you are giving us.
Okay. I don't think I will.
Okay.
I don't think I will because it is part of me already.
Yeah, people change you. When money comes.
I will not pray for that kind of change. I don't even pray for it. So I really want to bless people more with my song. So I'm not praying for that kind of change. Please. I don't want to change in a bad way. Please, God.
Definitely.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much for accepting God should minister to you to bless souls, to bless us.
It's because my pleasure.
Some people, even tell them about God, they'll be like, "Oh, I can't go through this stress because
kò kí lọ́rùn. Ọlọ́run
kò yé mi o.
Tó bá kí lọ́rùn dáadáa.
Okay, kò kí lọ́rùn.
Kò kí o wàláhì. Tó bá jẹ́ bírè mi sí mo mọ anything ṣe o. Mo mọ ẹni ọ̀dọ́ ti ṣe. Mo ṣá ọ lẹ́bi. But if it is song, my mom will be like, àfiṣe ni. So that is it.
Okay, yeah,
I cannot do any other thing. It's just song. I'll be singing. I'll be this picture will be coming. I'll be crying.
Wow.
So and that's it. That's the only thing I know how to do.
Kí ló mẹ́kún wá tẹ́ máa ń compose?
Kí ló mẹ́kún wá? Ó yẹ já ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ fún mi topic.
Kí fún yín topic?
Just any life topic.
Okay. Okay. Ẹ ká lo ẹni tó marry tó ń wait for be 7 years, 10 years tí wọ́n dẹ̀ rọ́mọ bí. How do you console the person? Okay, generally people that are going through that kind of problem.
Yeah.
Ọlọ́run ò pẹ́ ní kankan láàgàn. Kò sẹ́ni kankan tó dá lágàn sáyé. Ó kàn lè máa ti dé, ó ń bọ̀ wá á sì dẹ̀rọ̀. Má jà kan nínú orí Ọlọ́run. Ó yá jẹ́ òye báyìí ìwà kan. Kò ronú pé tó bá bí tọ́lọ́run bá pamọ́ ẹ lọ́wọ́ ńkọ́. Tó bá bí tó yà bó ṣe fẹ́ ńkọ́. Tàbí tó bá bí tó gbẹ̀mí ẹ̀ lọ. Èyí tó bí ta ti kọ pé kò ní ṣoríire fún ẹ láyé o. Àti kọ̀ọ̀kan tó jẹ́ pé á padà ya wèrè. Àdẹ̀tí kọ̀ọ̀kan tá padà yí lórí. Àti ìwà kọ̀ọ̀kan tá padà síwín sígbó. Èyí tó ti bí ọmọ tó máa jẹ́. Má ṣe já kan nínú ìrètí Ọlọ́run àgàn. Tó bá ti já kan, ó ń bọ̀ wá dé, ó ń bọ̀ wá dẹ̀rọ̀. Ó ń bọ̀ wá dé, ó ń bọ̀ wá dẹ̀rọ̀. Ó ń bọ̀ wá dé, ó ń bọ̀ wá dẹ̀rọ̀ àgàn. Má ṣe já kan nínú ìrètí Ọlọ́run. Ó yá ṣó ti gbàdúrà o. Ṣó ti sọ fọ́lọ́run tó fẹ́ o. Ṣó ti sọ pé o fẹ́ fọwọ́ ẹ̀rọ ọmọ gbẹ́jọ́. Ṣó ti sọ pé gbogbo èké tí wọ́n ṣe ládùúgbò nítorí títí ẹ ṣó ti sọ pé o fẹ́ kó dópin. ṣó ti sọ fún pé gbogbo èké tí wọ́n ṣe lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ o ṣó ti sọ fún pé ó fẹ́ kó dópin ṣó ti sọ fún pé gbogbo ènìní táyé ń ṣe lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ o ṣó ti sọ fún pé ó fẹ́ kó dópin ṣó ti sọ fún pé ìrètí ẹ̀ kan ṣoṣo tó sì fi wà láyé tó sì fi rí ẹ pé ò sì ń gbé láyé òun ni pé ó fẹ́ rọ́mọ gbéjú ó yá sọ fún pé òun tó fẹ́ nìyẹn sọ fún pé kò kọ́ ẹ́ pé ó máa jágàn láyé o. ó yá sọ pé mo ti rọ́mọ gbéjú sọ pé mo ti rọ́mọ gbéjú orúkọ àbísọ Kọ́lá gan o mo ti rọ́mọ gbéjú mo ti rọ́mọ gbéjú mo ti rọ́mọ pè ránṣẹ́ o orúkọ àbísọ Kọ́lá gan o mo ti rọ́mọ gbéjú.
Amazing. Ẹ ti mú track. Manager, hello. Manager. Ká gé àárín yìí ká fún yín. Studio develop. This is amazing. Oh no, this is touching, and this is 100% how you can console someone going through. Wow. Natural gift. Wow. This is my first time of believing in natural gift. Wow. Wow. More grace. More grace. This is amazing. Wow. Yoruba ko wan bete so. I wish I can hear Yoruba like this. You said ma jakon. What's the meaning?
Do not lose hope. Yeah.
Wow.
Do not be hope loser.
Do not lose hope.
Yeah.
Even go see be yes to ṣe wà nínú challenges yẹn ṣe lè tó. Don't lose hope.
Orúkọ àbísọ Kọ́lá gan.
Orúkọ àbísọ kọ́ ni àgàn. Ẹni tí ó bá dẹ̀ tí
orúkọ tó kàn fi ń wé ọmọ tó àgàn tí bí lásán kì í ṣe orúkọ àbísọ kì í ṣe orúkọ ẹ̀. Ó máa bí wọn tí ó bá já.
Ṣé ká sọ pé fast 2 tí wọ́n á mú pé ṣó ti lọ sọ fọ́lọ́run gan gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ táwọn yẹn ti ń sọ nípa ẹ̀ ṣó ti lọ sọ fún Ọlọ́run. Ṣé àwọn ìgbà mi wà tó jẹ́ pé téèyàn bá sọ nǹkan létí Ọlọ́run gbà mí kò kí ń ṣe àbí.
Ó rí o, ó fẹ́ kó sọ ni.
Ok, ó rí.
Gbogbo ẹ̀ lórí.
Ó fẹ́ kó fẹnu ara ẹ̀ sọ ni.
Ó fẹ́ kó sọ ni.
Báwo ló ṣe dùn ẹ́ sí? Báwo ló ṣe nídìí ẹ̀ sí?
Máa ń jókòó ti Ọlọ́run.
Ẹ máa ń jókòó ti Ọlọ́run lọ́rùn ni. Ó fẹ́ kó sọ ẹ̀dùn ọkàn ẹni.
Ó fẹ́ kó sọ ni.
Kì í ṣe pé kò rí.
Ó rí, ó mọ̀. Kò fẹ́ sọ.
Kò sí ìṣòro tó ń là kọjá ó rí.
Ó rí, kò fẹ́ sọ ni. Kò fẹ́ fẹnu ẹ̀ sọ tó fẹ́.
I learn from this. Wow. More wisdom, man. More wisdom, man. Please, don't. We should not just keep quiet if you are even going through some challenges. Yeah. Not just keep quiet. Not to just put your phone on camera. On TikTok, mashi. Have you ever go to your secret place, talk to your God? Wow. I'm using this medium to give you a title. I want to give you another title from the one
Okay, I'm ready.
A secret place.
A secret
place with God. But probably I just said it like that. You know, people should have to, a lot of people don't have time to pray. Do you believe that? A lot of people just they spend more time on their phones. Yeah. Some will just wake up in the morning. A lot of people don't go to their secret place. A lot of people don't have time to pray to God. Not just not only even when you go to mosque or when you go to church. Have you ever talked to your God about what you're going through? Yeah. Personal discussion with your God.
Ṣé o sure pé nǹkan tó kọ́ mọ́ mi lélẹ̀?
O sure pé
nǹkan tó kọ́ mọ́ mi lélẹ̀? Ṣé àdéhùn àti ẹlẹ́lẹ̀? Àdéhùn àkọlélẹ̀ yìí.
Àdéhùn àkọlélẹ̀.
Ṣé ohun tá a jọ kọ yẹn? Mo dẹ̀ pé nǹkan gidi ni. Ṣé?
Tí n bá tiẹ̀ kọ́ wà látọ̀run gan.
Tí mo ti rántí. Ó sọ pé àdúrà tóun ò bá ní gbà á ní rántí ṣe. Tí mo tiẹ̀ fi rántí yẹn, ó yá ṣe.
Ṣé? Àdúrà tóun ò bá ní gbà.
Á ní rántí ṣe.
Á ní rántí.
Á ní rántí ṣe.
Timothy wa fi lè rántí yẹn. Ọlọ́run bá mi ṣe. And prayer is powerful. Prayer is powerful. Ṣé àwọn àdúrà mi wà tí yẹn lè gbà tọ́lọ́run ní dáhùn?
Mi mọ̀ bí ó wà o, Ọlọ́run yìí ṣe kàṣá.
Ọlọ́run kì í ṣe ìkà.
Kì í ṣe kàṣá. Tí o bá gbà mí bóyá ó ní better offer fún yàn tàbí bóyá ó ń fi dín kankan.
Mama, ẹ jẹ́ wá mi sọ̀rọ̀ sókè dáadáa.
Okay, bó sọ pé bóyá tí o bá gbà mí bóyá ó ní better offer fún yàn àbí ó fi ń dín kankan bọ̀ kì í ṣe kà.
Kò kì í ṣe kà.
Kò kì í ṣe kà.
A ṣe yóò wù ní bọ̀ kò ń ṣe kà.
Kò ṣe kà. Ó mọ́ ju gbogbo level ìkà yẹn lọ. Èṣù ló máa ń ṣe kà.
Èṣù ló máa ń ṣe kà. Nǹkan tí ẹ bá dẹ̀ wá dọ́dọ̀ èṣù ló máa ṣe fún yàn. I think you should learn from this, viewers, because I've learned from this. Wow. More wisdom. The manica continue. I'm about 7 hours. And our mama Aisha is going back to Lagos with his handsome manager. So thank you so much for. We appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Share the coffee, Tila. Share the coffee. It's my okay. Yeah.
The acoustic version is coming.
Wow.
The acoustic version is
coming. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Where are you doing it? Lagos?
Yeah.
Okay.
Lagos.
Wow.
So I want to release it because I think there is more to it.
Okay.
So
sorry, do you have in mind of doing something to gather your fans to have a section of singing together? Maybe like a program or something.
Maybe soon.
Okay.
There was one we planned last year, but we later postponed it.
Okay.
So,
because we are not singing Muslim songs or religious songs. Those are people that don't really do that. But I think if you still do that, a lot of your fans.
And I even think we used to lie to ourselves a lot. You know, saying you are a religious person, something, condemning other people in which you are not even complete in that your own religion. So you are not even complete, then you are judging someone. So who are you?
No one even have right to judge anybody.
So that's it. We do deceive ourselves a lot, and that's bad.
Who is not a sinner? So
Everybody.
Wow. Please, let's correct that. Wow. All right, please. I will wish, and we'll keep following you when you want to do that. Probably we attend to.
Okay.
Yeah, I know very sure a lot of your fans will like to attend.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of people have been looking forward to see you, to meet you. Do you understand? So that will be a special program for them and a platform for them to have a meet and greet with you.
Sure.
Yeah. I know all this will cost a lot of money, and God, don't worry, God will raise some supporters for you, 100%.
Lótìtọ́ àwọn olóríire lè ló ń ka o bó ṣe léhùn kó rí èmi àti yín gbọ́dọ̀ wà nínú wọn o àyànmọ́ burúkú kò ní ṣe mọ́ wa lára ẹlẹ́dàá wa jọ̀wọ́ ṣáàmà tí wàá lọ bire àwọn olóríire ti lè pọ̀ o ìjọ olóríire ti lè kún nígbà tí ó kàn wá àyè wá ṣí sílẹ̀ o àwọn tó ń gùnkè ti lè pọ̀ àwọn ológo ti lè kún nígbà tí ó kàn wá àyè wá ṣí sílẹ̀ o ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ nànà tẹ́ǹgbà tí nànà nǹkan oníṣẹ́ mi yín bí inú rí Muhammadu Rasulullah. Thank you so much, everybody. I love you.
Thank you so much for coming, ma'am. We appreciate your section. We love your section.
It's my pleasure.
So, ma'am, from our team, we want to give you this. We're looking forward to have more gifts. But presently, we don't have sponsors, so we're just trying to present ourselves. So, it's cup. So I don't know, maybe you are going for a gym. So you just go along with your tea or water.
Thank you so much. Smedia, I really appreciate you guys.
You, man.
I really appreciate
Thank you, man. Thank you, man. So let me pack it for you. So till we meet again, still your humble host, Stephen Adekunle.